Siyempre, importante because really wanted the private sector to be involved in local governance, especially in kanang mga policy making nato, and to be involved po sa ato ang mga local special bodies. This is also in line with the DILG circular, or order nga naagyoy people's participation. So that's why one of the first ordinance nga gihimo nato as city councilor is the creation of the Iligan City People's Council. Kay nakitaan magud natong importansya ba nga kinahanglan maminaw bitas katauhan. How are we able to serve the people better if we do not know kung unsa gyud naa sa ilang mga kasing-kasing? So right now we are giving them an avenue na kung asa nila masulti ang mga issues na naa sa ilahang kasing-kasing. So that's why ang gusto gid nato ani, we're encouraging NGOs, CSOs, or mga professional and academic sectors to really participate and be accredited. We have 5 sectors, that's ABCPS. We have the academe, business, post-oriented, professional, and socio-civic sectors. So karon ang gabuhaton nila is this assembly, ang gabuhaton nila karon is mag-elect og mga officers nga ibutang nato sa ICPC. And also next month is our CSO month. So maggrupo na pod sila unsa man ang matabang sa mga CSOs sa atong local government.